Good day, sir. I am Leslie Aying and I am here to discuss how Crispy King successfully enters the market using market development. So, to begin with, let me discuss to you a brief introduction of Crispy King. So, Crispy King is a fast food restaurant that has left a lasting impression on the Philippine culinary landscape, particularly in Ormoc, Leyte. So, started at the year 2001, the company also had its humble beginning as a bakery business in Cebu, which later on captured the hearts of Ormocanans. Since then, with Daika Bake Shop as the principal business of the company, it has continued to venture into the grilled chicken business of Istong Manok and Liempo, the fast food chicken business of Crispy King. The owner of the business is Annalyn Sinugbuhan, and in the year 2018 is the date of establishment. Crispy King is one of the fast-growing business today, having very affordable meals, great location, and a hard-working team. The company managed to have over 900 operating branches nationwide. Among the renowned names in this competitive landscape, Crispy King Fast Food stands out as a major player known of it for its diverse menu and customer-centric approach. These are the strategies used by Crispy King. So first is the customer engagement technique. So Crispy King connects with customer by interacting with them on social media and giving special deals based on what they like to order. They ask for feedback to improve, run exciting promotions with limited time offers, and get involved in the community to build a good reputation. So the next is brand positioning. So Crispy King positioned itself as a standout fast food chain by focusing on the great taste, affordability, and local flavors. They offer a family-friendly environment and make ordering easy through quick service. This approach helped them attract and keep loyal customers. Next is promotional approaches. So Crispy King uses various promotional strategies to attract customers, seasonal offers, and in-store promotion. These methods help boost sales, engage customers, and drive traffic to their restaurant. So after is cost leadership. So Crispy King uses a cost leadership strategy by cutting costs to keep prices low. They do this by streaming operation, buying ingredients in bulk, keeping a simple menu, managing labor cost efficiency, and using affordable marketing methods. This allows them to offer competitive prices and attract budget-conscious customers. The last one is the fast service. So Crispy King utilized service to minimize waiting time of the customers. Also, recruiting good employees to serve for customers with high customer service. So let's proceed to the challenges faced by Crispy King. First is competition. Crispy King faced the strong competition in quick service eatings establishment from well-established competitor fast food outlets. Lots of competitor copying their menu and strategies which decrease brand recognition. Next is changing consumer preferences. Shifting consumer preference or alternative during experiences pose threats into Crispy King traditional fast food model. The buyer power for fast food restaurant is high, that's why it is also a threat for Crispy King to keep the loyalty of the customers. Next is a small dining space can present unique challenges for a fast food outlet like Crispy King. Some of these challenges include limited customer capacity, reduced dine-in experience, crowding issues, limited group setting. So, the last one is maintaining food quality. Ensuring consistency in food preparation and quality, especially during busy periods, is often a challenge for smaller outlet which might not have same level of operation efficiency as large franchises. Let's proceed to the innovations done by Crispy King to stay competitive in the market. So first is market expansion. Crispy King has the opportunity to expand its presence beyond Ormoc City with the Crispy King had started and tap into new markets within the Philippines, which helped them increase brand visibility and attract a larger customer base. Lastly is menu diversification. Although Crispy King is known for fried chicken, but they also have other variety of food on their menu which might complement to the chicken or as an alternative that customer could choose from. Due to the fact that changes in customer preferences is high, however, introducing new menu items or expanding the existing offering can attract a wide range of consumers and cater to different preferences, particularly increasing sales and customer satisfaction.